Hey everyone, in this how to jump rope like a boxer tutorial video, we're going to cover a boxer skip footwork variation which likely you have never seen before. Today I've been doing a Bruce Lee inspired workout, and I call it that because when Bruce Lee used cardio, he often combined various forms of cardio in the same workout, often running, cycling, and jumping rope. So that's what I've been doing today. This is one of my favorite ways to train, combining various forms of cardio in the same workout. Earlier I did some running, some cycling, and now I'm doing some jump rope. You know, Bruce Lee was a big inspiration of mine. He influenced the way I trained. He also influenced the way I thought. I was taken back by his body composition when I first saw him on the big screen, and because of him, you know, I started trying to learn how to do the splits. I started using nunchucks. I even got into kind of acrobatics and gymnastics, and of course, jumping rope. And so in today's jump rope session, I'm going to talk about a very cool form of a boxer skip that maybe you've never seen before. So let's get to that now. For this boxer skip tutorial video, first I want to begin by demonstrating another boxer skip variation, which is very similar to the move today. And I made a tutorial video on this move before. So as I perform this, see if you recognize it. See if you remember the name. So here's the basic boxer skip. You recognize this move? It's performed by a lot of championship boxers, such as Manny Pacquiao, Gennady Golovkin, Bernard Hopkins. Did you remember the name? It's called the can-can kick or can-can jump. So what you just saw there was the boxer skip footwork technique that I wanted to cover in today's video. It's a variation of the can-can jump, and it's such an awesome move. It feels really cool to perform it, and it also looks really cool. And the first time I saw it performed was a few years ago in a boxing club. And you'll also see professional boxers perform it too. For example, Terence Crawford. He often uses this move when he jumps rope. What an awesome boxer, Terence Crawford. He'll actually be fighting very soon. It's such a cool move. And once you get the hang of it, you can do it with both feet, and then you can also include some other cool skipping techniques, such as heel toes, toe taps. So there you are, an awesome boxer skip work variation of the boxer's can-can jump. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Leave a comment, any questions down below, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video.